And just talk to us, Ron, about the sheer scale of demand right now.
Yes, Caroline, it's a pleasure to be here, and thank you for the opportunity. The sheer scale of demand is unbelievable. I mean, we're seeing demand across the board. We're serving all the way from federal government to state governments, to large corporations, all the way to small businesses, and now direct to consumer. And demand is off the charts. I mean, as much as we are, priding ourselves of being, health in four dimension, 4D. Data-driven digital diagnostics, and we were able to predict really well and be available to consumers and enterprise alike throughout the pandemic. We still feel the demand really strongly, but today we're announcing for the first time our availability to people directly in as little as 15 to 20 minutes, and that's revolutionary.
And that is through a partnership with GoPuff, which can deliver them at speed. And how many? I mean, there is still a limited supply. Can one just put in an order for loads? Or, I mean, how are you monitoring this?
Yes, absolutely. So, we want to make sure that everybody has tests, right? So, per order, people can order up to 4, test kits, which are 2 tests in 1 kit. So, enough for a family, enough for them to get tested, and they can place multiple orders as they need. But we definitely worked really hard to make sure that supply is enough. We are in more than 1,000 cities across the United States, 24/7. You can actually get these tests to your home in as little as 15 to 20 minutes.
And interestingly, talk to us about price point and the like, because I've just been in the UK for the holidays, where you get these for free from the government. You walk into pharmacies, you go to libraries, you get them sent by the government, whereas in the US, the healthcare systems operates in a very different way. How do you manage to marry that need, that desperate need to remain safe at the same, and earn a living at the same time as, pricing it right so that it means the right thing for your business?
At Intrivo, we do both. We make tests available, and as we said, it's available through GoPuff app and online, and also through Amazon, Walmart, Walgreens, and directly on letsongo.com in a relatively affordable price. We're talking somewhere between $12 and $15 per test, and it comes in 2 tests in a box, right? So at $24 to $29. But we also do charity. I mean, we took the entire company, and each and every one of our employees got a special allowance to actually choose, a cause that they care about, and we give free tests to these causes. So we do both of these things. We make sure that we have enough tests to work with government, federal, state, and local governments, but also we need to make sure that we have availability to people that want to get their test to their home. And of course, it costs money to get there, right? So people who can afford it, get it through these channels, and people who can afford it less, get it through our partnership with government.